Hey guys, check it out. I just received this from eBay, something I was bidding on. This apparently came off a 1994 GT Performer, and it's a KMC chain, a little bit of rust. But the reason why I decided to bid on this post was because of this. Let me get it out for you in a minute. You see these chainring bolts? Well, they are GT stamped. And if you go and try to find these, see that GT? They're pretty expensive, like 60-50 bucks just to get a set of 4 or 5. I ended up paying $15 with shipping to acquire this. So now it's being soaked in vinegar so I can get the rust out, and it's gonna go on my 91 Mach 1. So stay tuned for that video. Okay, bye.